Hello, my name is Blair and welcome to another Linux app. Today I'm here at my should I say a mobile device, which is also a little bit of smaller laptop. This is not a Wrist V or Wrist 5 device, but this is the Android operating system with the Samsung Dex desktop environment. And of course, I will install the Stellarium, which is already here. This one. Let's try to remove this, uninstall first, and install it again so that you could see the installation process. Okay, so let me move this one right there. And of course, I will introduce you to this Stellarium app, which is right now in my, should I say, desktop mobile device. Yes, I think this is desktop mobile device, which is a little bit like a mix of laptop, mix of mobile device, which is basically an Android. Okay, let's open the Google Play Store. We could also use actually the Samsung store for opening this, but we will use the Google Play Store. Okay, so let's go to our search bar right here and look for the Stellarium, our star map. Okay, so let's type in the Stellarium. Okay, Stellarium, enter. Of course, we have this. Don't worry about that sponsored thing. It contains ads. So let's just install this one. So we have the option. So I have different type of devices right here. So I'll just do it right here in my device. So let's click install. So it will take several seconds to finish and installing this app. Okay, it is already installed. So let's try to close this one. It's already in our desktop, which is right here at the top. We have the abouts right here. I'll use this in my app. Maximize this one. I will use my two fingers to navigate this. So this is current time, so we could like move it into the night time. So today I'll make it like around 7. Okay, and post it. So we are facing in north, which is our North Star right there, our Polaris. So you can also open that one and maximize this one so that you could see the whole side of this. So this is the North Star or the Pole Star. Distance away, it's around 432 light years away from us, and the latitude is just only 2.09 degrees and in the constellation of Ursa Minor, or the Little Bear. So let's move out so that you could see the Little Bear. There you have it, the Little Bear. I post this at around 7 p.m. so it will be like stuck, because if I use the time like it is moving, it will be moving from one location to another location. So we could like swipe this down so that you could like use it, the whole screen. And of course you can also navigate this one like using your 1 or 2 fingers. To zoom in, you have to use your 2 fingers and then just zoom in. You have to close it or to widen your fingers so that you have the option to zoom in, and 1 finger will be just moving the direction towards the location that you want it to, either up or down. So you have all the options there. So I use this most of the time if I try to look for some stars or to know where are the stars at the night sky. This is a modern version and easy to know. If you are a kid, you are familiar with this one because I teach this in my star mapping, using this one instead of using your fingers to navigate into the azimuth and the altitude. So yes, this is very useful for learning stars. And of course, if you are wondering if there are some stars moving like that one, I just post it. If I try to play it like during the time, let me start that one, play. It is now moving because it is in seconds, so every second counts. So you can see all the Starlink satellite there across the sky. So we have also the rocket body, which is one of our debris. Have that to be on the lookout for the satellites and the debris which is floating. Okay, let's try to move out from that one. So it's still moving. Yes, it is still moving. I could like pause it and then move back, like you could see like those stars or those satellite. It is going back to where it belongs during those time. It is so fascinating, right? So that's how we use the Stellarium, which is our star maps. You can also click the left bottom to have the guide. You have also the constellation. When I zoom in, you have the constellation there. If I turn it off, turn it on, I have the landscape turned off too, so that you could see even at the bottom. But if you have the landscape, you'll just know that the Earth is round and we are in the sphere. And of course Betelgeuse is down there for the time period, but if you use the time to move it, it will be on the horizon soon. At the same time, if you want to have the atmosphere removed, so we could like see, because if we have the atmosphere, it full of oxygen, carbon dioxide, all those stuff in our atmosphere, we could remove that small particles and just look at that. You could see all those stuff like our galaxy. Alpha Centauri. Cool, right? Let's try to turn on the atmosphere and the landscape so that we will not be spatial disorientation. We humans has the spatial disorientation without the landscape. So that is why we turn on the landscape. I could like turn off the atmosphere and turn on the night mode, which is if you are in the dark, you will have this one. It is awesome. And of course, if you turn on the sensor there, the sensor, if you turn on the sensor and you put it on the skies, especially if you're using the tablet or the mobile phone or mobile device, you will see that you could like pinpoint the camera towards the sky and get the accurate location of each star's Either it is natural and man-made satellites at the same time. And if you are using the advanced, you could also pay their massive object category in 1.6 billion stars and 2 million deep sky objects, unlocking the feature and high resolution of pictures of those deep skies and planets and stars and all the galaxies and all those stuff. And you have the control of the telescope drive, and you can use it as long as you have the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. If you want to have the free trial, of course you can do it, like 1 month, or per month you have 120 pesos. And if you are using the one-time fee, you could like pay as low as 249 pesos one-time purchase fee. Of course, don't forget your email account and your email password. Okay, so you can lock those observing tools and calendar, upgrade it if you wanted to, but for me it's just okay. I'm not like near a telescope or something like I could use it. I just use this for my lectures for now, but if I need it, I just gonna purchase it or look for some alternative that is absolutely for free. Okay, we have abouts. So Stellarium Mobile Plus is based on open source project of the Stellarium web engine. This app is developed by two brothers, which is the original creator of Stellarium, Fabian and Xiomi. Correct me if I'm wrong if I say this wrong, okay? And they are active contributor for this Stellarium project. Okay, guide, we also have the guide right here. If you have some question, feel free to ask me. Write it in the comments down below. I could help you solve some problems. You can contact them too at that link. So bye for now and see you in the next episode. I am Blair, your science, computer, and mathematics teacher. Catch another episode of Linux app next time. Bye for now and see you in the next episode. And remember that science means knowing. That is why science is cool. Ciao.